35 Chopped salad with spicy lime dressing. This light tasty salad features one of our favorite veggies, jicama. If you are wary of the jicama, try it alone with your favorite dip. This might become your family's new favorite veggie. Ingredients: salad, 2 1/2 cups chopped romaine lettuce, 1 can minus 15.5 ounces black beans, rinsed plus drained, 3/4 cup chopped seeded tomato, 3/4 cup chopped peeled jicama, 3/4 cup fresh corn kernels, uncooked hash, or frozen or canned, 3/4 cup thinly sliced radishes, 1 avocado, diced, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1/4 cup crumbled reduced fat feta cheese spicy lime dressing, 1/4 cup fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh cilantro, 1 garlic clove, peeled and minced, 1 teaspoon chopped jalapeno pepper hash. Use canned for less heat. 2 tablespoons hot sauce. Directions: 1. Toss all salad ingredients in a large bowl. In separate bowl, mix dressing ingredients. Pour dressing over mixture and toss again. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 1 fist equals 1 yellow light, 1 green light. Recipe serves 2 436 warm pesto zucchini noodle salads. Noodles are a fun way to get more green lights into your child's day and are fun for them to eat. Ingredients: 4 cups zucchini noodles, yellow light pesto. Recipe on page 43. 1 onion, cut into 1/2 inch rounds, 1 bell pepper, chopped, 1 medium eggplant, cut into 1/2 inch rounds, olive oil spray, 1 can rinsed in